Today, we're talking about something you probably use every single day, even if you don't realize it: artificial intelligence. From your phone to your shopping apps, AI is quietly working behind the scenes to make your life faster, smarter, and more personalized. So let's take a quick tour of how AI is already part of your daily life. No lab coats, no complicated jargon. 1. Smart assistants. Let's start with the obvious: voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. When you say, "Hey Siri, what's the weather?" that's AI. It listens to your voice, understands what you're asking, and gives a relevant response. These assistants use natural language processing, a branch of AI, to understand human speech and respond in real time. 2. Social media feeds. Ever wondered why your Instagram or TikTok feed feels like it knows you? That's AI too. These platforms use machine learning algorithms to track what you like, watch, and scroll past, so they can recommend more content tailored to your behavior. AI decides what shows up on your feed, and even when you see it. 3. Email and spam filters. Your email inbox is cleaner than you think, and that's thanks to AI. Spam filters use AI to detect suspicious or unwanted messages by analyzing language patterns, sender data, and more. It helps block phishing attempts and spam emails automatically, saving you time and headaches. 4. Online shopping and recommendations. Ever buy something online and then see a bunch of related suggestions? That's right at work. E-commerce platforms like Amazon, Jumia, and even Instagram shops use recommendation engines to suggest products based on your browsing history, purchases, and interests. It's personalized shopping powered by data. 5. Navigation and maps. When Google Maps reroutes you because of traffic, or Waze warns you about a speed bump ahead. Yep, that's AI. These apps use real-time data from other users, satellites, and sensors to make intelligent travel suggestions. They don't just tell you where to go, they predict the best way to get there. 6. Streaming services. Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, they all use AI to recommend what to watch or listen to next. Based on your past activity, AI helps you discover new content without you needing to search for it. Ever get creeped out by how accurate it is? That's machine learning doing its job. 7. Banking and finance. From fraud detection to mobile banking chatbots, AI helps keep your money safe and your experience smooth. If you've ever been alerted about a suspicious transaction or chatted with a virtual assistant inside your bank app, that's AI making it happen. 8. Health and wellness apps. Many fitness trackers and wellness apps use AI to analyze your behavior and provide smart recommendations. Whether it's tracking your sleep, suggesting workouts, or managing your calories, AI helps you live healthier with data-backed insights. Thanks for watching.